Outclass condition Honda Civic UG 2017 registration 2018 full option like a 0-meter urgent sell. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am presenting a beautiful Honda Civic UG full option in pearl white color. This is a 2017-2018 model and the car is in very clean and well-maintained condition. It is a family use car and has been driven with care. If you are looking for a stylish sedan with comfort, luxury features, and reliable performance, this car is a very good option. Let's start with the exterior condition of the car. The outside body has full coating done and all papers are available. The body looks neat and presentable. There are only 2 or 3 very minor touch-ups on the body, which are hardly noticeable. Other than that, the paint condition is good and the panels are properly aligned. There are no major dents or signs of serious accident. The pearl white color looks premium and gives the car a fresh look on the road. The headlights, taillights, and side mirrors are all in good condition and working properly. Now let's talk about the engine and driving performance. The engine is healthy and well maintained. There is no unusual noise from the engine, and the pickup is smooth. The car drives very comfortably in city traffic and also feels stable on highways. The mileage of the car is 128,000 kilometers, which is normal for a family used car of this model year. The engine temperature remains normal even in heavy traffic, and the cooling system is working properly. The car does not need any mechanical work at the moment and is ready for use. The fuel average is good for a sedan in this category. It is suitable for daily office use as well as family trips. The transmission shifts smoothly, making the drive relaxed and comfortable. The suspension is soft and absorbs road bumps well, so you feel comfortable even on rough roads. The steering is light and easy to control, especially in city driving. The braking system is in good condition and provides confident stopping power. Now let's discuss the tires and safety features. New tires have been installed, so you don't need to spend money on tires anytime soon. An alarm system is also installed, which adds extra security for the car. The road grip is stable, and the car feels planted on the road even at higher speeds. The brakes respond well, and the overall safety feel of the car is good for family use. The build quality of the car feels solid, which adds to confidence while driving. Moving to the interior condition, the inside of the car is 100% genuine and well maintained. The seats are clean and comfortable, and the fabric or leather is in good condition with no major wear and tear. The dashboard is neat and clean, and all buttons and controls are working properly. The infotainment system is working fine, and you can enjoy music and connectivity features while driving. The air conditioning works perfectly and gives strong cooling, which is very important in hot weather. The cabin feels spacious and premium, making long drives comfortable for both driver and passengers. This Honda Civic UG is a full option variant, which means it comes with many comfort and convenience features. The driving position is comfortable and gives good visibility of the road. The doors close with a solid feel, and the cabin insulation is good, so road noise is low inside the car. Overall, the car offers a premium driving experience that is suitable for families and professionals. This car is located in Naval Colony, Baldia town, Karachi. It is an urgent sale. The demand is 4,680,000, and the price is reasonable according to the condition and model year. Serious buyers only, please. No time waste. If you are searching for a family-used Honda Civic UG full option in pearl white color with genuine interior, new tires, and minor touch-ups only, this is a great deal for you. Overall, this Honda Civic UG 2017-2018 is a stylish, reliable, and comfortable sedan. It offers good performance, a smooth drive, premium interior, and strong road presence. The condition is very good, the interior is genuine, and the car has been maintained with care. If you want a premium sedan for daily use and long routes, this Honda Civic UG is definitely worth considering. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more car reviews and urgent sale deals, and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.